Hello students, today we will solve the practice set 2. Before solving the sums, at first learn this table. Question number 1. Match the following. In this part, measure of the angle. Here given measure of the angle. And part 2, type of angle. Here given types of angle. Question number 1, 180 degree. 180 degree means this is straight angle. Match with straight angles. 240 degree. 240 degree means it is greater than 180 degree and below from 360 degree. This is one reflex angle. Match with reflex angle. 360 degree, as a table 360 degree is a complete angle, and zero angle already given here, zero angle. Question number 2. The measures of some angles are given below. Write the type of each angle. Here given the angles and write the name of the angle. Now let's solve the question. Question number 1, 75 degree. 75 degree is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. It means this is acute angle. The spelling of acute angle is ACUTE, acute, and ANGLE, acute angle. Question number 2, 0 degree. 0 degree means it is zero angle. 215 degree means it is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. This is reflex angle. .360 degree is complete angle. .180 degree is straight angle. .120 degree is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. This is obtuse angle. .148 degree also greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, obtuse angle. And this one 90 degree, it means right angle. Question number 3. Look at the figures below and write the type of each of the angle. Here given the figure of the angles and write the name of the angles. Number A is, see the picture, and at first take the protractor and keep it in the downside and see, this is below the 90 degree. It means this is acute angle. Here write acute angle. Question number B. Here given just like, then you keep the protractor. This one 90 degree. 90 degree angle means right angle. Question number C. This is below the 180 degree. It means this is reflex angle. Question number D. This one straight line. It means straight angle. Straight angle. E number. Here we can't see any angle. You can see an angle? No. It means this is zero angle. And this is the whole are angles, means it is complete angle. Last one is question number 4. Use a protractor to draw an acute angle, a right angle and an obtuse angle. We draw acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. At first draw acute angle. Use a protractor. Draw a ray. You can draw any ray. And here see where is 90 degree. Here is 90 degree. Below the 90 degree is acute angle. You can draw any angle below the 90 degrees acute angle. It means this is acute angle. Next one is right angle. Right angle means 90 degree angle is called right angle. At first draw the ray and you measure the angle with the protractor. Here is 90 degree. It means you can draw just like this is also other way. This one right angle. And last one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree and below 180 degree. You can use a protractor and make a ray. Draw a ray and you kept here and greater than 90 degree and below 180 degree. After 90 degree any can you draw just like this one is obtuse angle. Hope you understand practice set 2.